turtles. Carrying the home on the back, making their way down the turtle track. Yeah. They got places to go and things to see, and they don't need you and they don't need me telling them where they got to be. They're gonna rest their heads neath the shady tree. Some turtles live out in the ocean, some turtles like to live on land. Every turtle likes to make a comfy nest and lay its babies in the turtle sand. The turtles don't need a whole lot, the pretty independent dudes. They need clean water and clean air